Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I am super excited to share with you this brand new model Premier 270 Intrigue Tri-Tune. Folks, this is an incredibly awesome Tri-Tune model. You can look at the beautiful colors. We got graphite top panel with the white pearl accent panel here, as well as look at the fencing and the rails all in white pearl. You can see the lighting all down this boat. You've got underwater lights here. If you'll walk with me here to the back, wait till I show you what this boat is powered with. Look at this, matching white Mercury 400 horsepower V10 engine. Folks, this boat will get you where you want to go fast. I can't wait to show you aboard all the features that this boat is packed with. So let's come aboard. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this Premier 270 Intrigue. You can see where I'm sitting. I'm sitting right here at the bow of the boat, center, because I'm sitting on what they call a removable bottom. So you can actually move this around the boat at your leisure where you would like it. You'll notice the beautiful upholstery here. Look at the diamond stitching accent. Look at the lighted cup holders. Phone charger right here, folks. Armrest. As we move over here to the port side of the boat, phone charger here. You lay your phone in here. Big subwoofer. You got your ski locker, put all your toys and whatnot in it. And look at this feature. This is what they call the Mirage changing station. Look at this, folks. You lift this up, you drop the curtain, and you get in here and change out of your bathing suit, swim trunks if you like. As we continue to move to the back of the boat, you'll notice the high back, beautiful captain's chairs, the raised helm here. You step up on this raised helm and look at this helm. The beautiful Simrad integrated GPS sonar bottom machine that also will operate other items on your boat along with your push buttons here. Phone charger here. Look at the steering wheel, folks. You can navigate through here at your steering wheel. Of course, it's got digital throttle and shift. As we step up, look at this just a little feature like this. Right here, there's a cooler right here. Put your drinks and sandwiches in, storage all throughout the boat. So as incredible as this boat is, you've never seen a Tri-Tune like this. Folks, as I step up here in the back of the boat, this is what they call the REV model. What does that mean? Watch this. You come over here, you press down with your foot. Okay, let's get the other foot here. You turn, look at this, folks. Look how I can turn this. Look at this. It locks into place. Now watch this. I can step aboard here in the back. I can sit down. I got my lighted cup holders. I got my phone chargers. I can enjoy it with my family and friends, have cocktail drinks, eat here. And look at the boarding ladder, folks. There's a boarding ladder right here so you can offload and come aboard the boat here. Folks, you've got to see this boat in person. I didn't even get into the details of how this boat rides. It rides second to none to any other Tri-Tune. So come see us here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. My name's Kenny Brown. It'll be my pleasure to show it to you, okay? And remember, as I always say, it's about making memories on the water.